The home sellers we work with have many unique situations. Because of this, we've created 4 different options. The first option is a simple cash offer. The second one is contract for deed or seller finance. The third one is assuming your mortgage. And the fourth one is a combination of all 3. We call it the Goldilocks offer. Option 1 is the cash offer. Who is this for? This could be if you're in the middle of a remodel and you run out of money or have a sudden life change. This could also be if you're moving to your next house very soon and you don't have the time to get your current house ready to be sold for top dollar on the market. Or you might just want the certainty of a cash offer and don't want to take a risk of putting it on the market and having the deal fall through. You also might need the cash to pay for a life-changing event. Also, it could just be for some of the unfortunate things that life throws at us, including divorce, job loss, or inheriting the property from a loved one. The benefits of a cash offer is it is great if you want something simple, quick, and easy. This is best when you need the cash right now. The only limitation to this offer, it is going to be the lowest amount of all 4, because Wyohouses is maintaining the risk of the transaction. How it works? Simple. We pay you cash and you get to pick your closing date. The second option is seller finance. Who is this for? This is for sellers who want to sell their property now while values are high, but don't need all the cash up front. This is also for property owners who don't want to deal with being a landlord anymore, but still like the passive income. The benefits: sell your property for market value, avoid all the closing costs, and create additional income each month. Terms are flexible, quick, and easy. This is also great if you want to avoid capital gains. Let's explain how this works. We sign what is called a contract for deed through the title company. Next, we agree upon the terms. We will pay you interest-only payments each month. An easy example is if we're paying you $240,000 for the property, at 5% interest, that would be paying you $1,000 per month. We also will be paying the taxes and insurance for you as well. So this $1,000 will be pure profit for you each month. Still have a loan on your property? That's okay, because you will still get to keep the difference in your mortgage payment and what we're paying you each month. Lastly, we will make what is called a balloon payment. This is simply one big payment at the very end. The duration is flexible, whether it be 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, you name it. Limitations? While you may not get all the money up front, this is actually a benefit because you will make interest on this amount. Option number 3 is loan assumption. Who is this for? This is if you have little to no equity, meaning your loan amount is equal to what your house is worth. Or maybe by the time you pay agents and make repairs, you're going to be breaking even or in jeopardy of losing money. Avoid those headaches and just let us assume your loan and take over your payments. The benefits? We can pay at or near market value, and it's simple, quick, and easy. Since no banks or agents are involved, this type of transaction can be closed in less than 7 days if needed. The limitations are that the loan will often remain in your name and still listed on your credit. But that could be at a benefit because it will continue to show as good credit history of us making payments, which could help boost your credit score. How it works. Logistically, this can be achieved with a simple loan assumption or a contract for deed, which is done through the title company and can be reviewed by your CPA or attorney if needed. As far as closing date, we pick whatever date you want. And after the closing date, we just start making your mortgage payments for you. The last option is what we call our Goldilocks offer, as it's the best of both worlds and combines components of each of our first 3 options. Who's this for? This is for people who are concerned about capital gains and worried about what you're going to be paying Uncle Sam when you sell your property. This has become a very common way we've structured multiple purchases in the last couple months, and it's really helped a lot of sellers just like you take advantage of the recent increases in home prices while at the same time limiting your taxes. The benefits? We pay at or near market value for your property. This option is perfect if you don't need all the money right away and you're wanting to minimize your taxes. Also, as you will see from the example, this could put an additional $30,000 in your pocket when it's all said and done.